Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. As always, you're welcome back. My name is Melinta and today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio. So in online marketing or online platforms, you need a portfolio for you to stand out. That's the only way that you can do this. So I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of how you can start from scratch. This one is a beginner friendly, or if you're an expert, then that's even better. So be sure to follow through so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to start from scratch, create that portfolio from scratch. And if you're looking for someone to help you create a portfolio, then feel free to contact me using my email. It's in my bio. Be sure to check it out. So without saying so much, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I'm on Canva, and there are so many different platforms that you can use to design your portfolio. There are free online platforms, but I love using Canva. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come here to the website, and then you're going to choose from different templates. If you want to see, we have a lot of templates. You can check them out. If you want to use some of these templates, go on ahead and do that. But as for me, I'm going to start from scratch, okay? And my template will be available. If you want to use it, feel free to do that. So as I said, we're going to start with this one. Then we're going to go to the portfolio, where we're going to start creating our portfolio. So you can choose from these different templates here already, and then we're going to focus on our left, because this is where we're going to be getting most of our things. So layouts, I'm going to start from scratch. As I told you, you can either choose to have this one as your title, then you put your title here. Let's say I'm going to put a virtual assistant and virtual assistant. And then a description, you can add here a little bit of description. Then because I want to make this video as short as possible, I'm going to use the information that I already had on my other portfolio, so that you can be able to, we can save on time. Okay, so here I'm going to just use some of the information that I had here. I'm going to put let's see here, we're going to just add as a new page. Then we're going to put this, copy, then we're going to paste it on our description right here. Okay, so then we're going to delete this, put this one right here. Then we can do this. Then this one, you need to paste in your image. Make sure you paste in your image. You can just duplicate this, paste it right there. Okay, it can't, so definitely we delete the frame. Okay, let me create just a portfolio so that you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so let's undo everything. Okay, so here we're going to go back to the design. Then we're going to choose this one. Then you can put your logo here. You can put your logo there. So maybe I'm gonna just write Melinta. Make sure you have your company logo. You can put it right there. Maryland, the VP. Okay, then here we are going to put our title as a virtual assistant. Then here we're going to put our description, where we're going to paste it. Just put it right there. Then we're going to delete. Resize this. Then here we're going to put our photo. Going to go to the uploads. Once you're on the uploads, click on the photo that you want to put right there. Then I'm gonna edit the image. I'm gonna grab this, grabbing myself, because I don't want this background to be seen. It should be professionally, it should be a professional photo. So make sure that you have a clean, nice photo that you can use. I'm gonna push this to the side. Then I'm gonna edit the image. This one. Hello. Okay. Then we can remove the background. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're going to delete this. They couldn't find that, so we're going to delete the what? So now we have to go back again and add a page. Let's go back here, add this page right here. Then we are going to push this one over there. Then for our title, we're going to write the virtual assistant slash HR. HR professional. These fonts, we're going to change them later on. I'll show you how you can do that. Paste it. Okay. This information is not sitting right with me. Open Sans, let's change it to Cardo. Then we can push it like that. So we're going to ungroup, then we're going to do this. Oh God, why is it creating a mess? Paste it. That's why starting from scratch is a problem, but make sure you with our projects. We had a project right here. So I'm gonna use add as a new page. Remember, I'm just doing this to, you know, create a what? Just save on time, okay? Make sure you write the information that you really need. Then we are going to change this color. We are going to choose the color, okay? So here we are going to delete this page. And then we're going to delete this one too. So this is our front page. Remember, we have our title. Change it, the font. Let's just work with it. Okay, change the font. Okay, then here you're going to put a little bit of description. Then here we are going to change this background color to black. Oh no. So here we go. We're going to change the background of this whole thing to photo colors. Going to, for now, let's just use that. Okay, then we're going to move to the next page where we are going to use, remember we are using the design right here. Then once you're done with that, we're going to come here, choose one of these pages here. So here you're going to say about section, about me. Then here you're going to change it again to projects. Let's choose about me. You're going to take your photo right here, duplicate it, bring it over here, bring it to this page. Okay, it's not working. Hey, where we have to work. You have to work hard. You have to work hard to get there. You cannot take a shortcut. So there we go. You added, remove the background here, edit the image, remove the background. There we go. Why did it put this snow thing right there? Huh? We don't need the snow. Come on, we don't need the snow. Remove the background again. Okay, grab the image. We're grabbing this. Guys, you see how much work it is? You gotta be patient enough if you're starting from the scratch. But if you want, the easiest route is just to delete the image. Then we're gonna put our image right there. Why is it coming with the image below? Doesn't make sense. It does not make sense to me. Why did this person give us a grid? Okay. All right, let's undo. I know what to do. Bring this one here. Delete that. Bring our image right there. Okay. So we have our image right there. This is about me section. Then we're going to come here, copy our about image, put it right there, paste it. We have it. Delete that, put it right there. That's our about section. Make sure these words can be seen. Then you come here, call to action. That is you're going to write here either resume or contact. You're going to write there contact information. Then you can put a link here for your contacts. Then you can change this one to white. Yeah, and then make this one bold. Once you bolden it, put your we're going to put our social media pages. We're going to put our social media pages. So minimize this one, bring it over here. Instagram, bring it over here. Have a mouse, it will make your work easy. To make your work easy, super easy to do. I don't have a. Okay, then we're going to make sure that we turn these ones to different color. We make them all be black. That's good. Instagram. That's it. That's your information right there. About me, make it bold. Okay. Then you can underline this. You can just copy this style because I love it. Put it right there. Paste it. Bring it here. Remember, you can always bring your fonts here. Okay. So now once you're done with that, you can then copy this, paste it. Oh no, we add another page. We're going to add another page right here. we're going to delete, okay, group, open, delete this, paste, undo, paste it, bring it over here, make it aligned. So color theme, make sure you're going with one color. This should be our title right here. Okay, project management, make sure you're using the same, let's say for project management, as a new page, we have this one, bring it over here, paste it. These things I can show you how to create, or let me show you how to create this instead of just delete the image. So I'm gonna duplicate this, but also if you don't want to do that, you can come here to the design. Remember, we have these ones right here. You can see, let's say for example we add another page, we want to use this one. You can come here, you want to create something like the one that I had created, so you're going to come to the uploads, and then you're going to use what was there, project management, right? So with project management, you gotta be able to see, let's see, project management. You come here to the elements, look for project management. It's gonna show you, because I had already used some. I'm gonna just go to my recently used, and I'm gonna find them right there. So if you want to do project management, you're gonna come here, put it right there. Then calendar management, put it right there. Then there's a data entry, put it right there. Okay, so once you put it right there, here you're going to say skills and experience. Then here you're going to say this is project management. Then here you're going to write this is calendar management. Then here you're going to write data entry. Okay, you can increase the size here, and then here you're going to put what you do. Let's say you organize projects. Let's say, just for the sake of this video, organize projects. Organize projects using maybe Asana and Trello, right? Trello. Here you're going to say manage a client's calendar and mails. Then here you're going to just say data entry and research. This is just an example, okay? Data entry and research. So now once you're done with that, make this on bold. Then you can move on to another thing. So you see, this is how I had created mine, the first one. So you can do either this or you can do this. Then here I will show you can just come here, add that one, bring this one over. Yeah, so we have two of them because the space is kind of limited. Make sure it's visible and pleasing to the eye. Then once you're done with that, I kind of love this color, so we're gonna turn this one to this color so that it looks awesome. Okay. I love that color, but there's a way we are going to sync them so that it has some contrast in it. Like you see, this one is contrasting, so that the next thing is we're going to add a section, and this section is going to be our work samples. So here you can go to the text button. Hold on, so I'm showing you how to create from scratch. So let's go to the design, choose work samples. We can choose this one. So we're going to put our work sample, go to the designs, put your work sample that you've created. These are thank you letters, so you can see, you can come here, then you're going to write here what the title you're going to add as thank you letters. Actually, it has to have work samples, then you're going to come here, bring it over, change the text color to white, work samples right there. Okay, push these ones down here, there you go. So we have skills and services. Now we have our work samples. You can come here, add an element. So we're going to add this one right here, bring it over. Okay, change it to white, change the text to black. There you go. So as you can see, it looks amazing. So we're gonna reduce our text to there so that it can fit in. Okay, we have our work samples right there. We will change the font later on. Then you can come again, add work samples. You're still adding work samples. Go back to the designs, choose how you want them to appear. Now come to your work samples again, upload them. So these ones, they cannot fit in. Oh, they can. Nice. So since we already have the work sample, just come there, show maybe social media management. There's what else? There's a recipe you've created, there's a poster you created, what else? Calendar management, email management, you've created it. Okay, hold on, that went to the other side. So which one are we supposed to add? Okay, we can add our notebook right there. So that's your work samples. Here you can just move the work samples. Okay, work samples, you can either say social media pages, Instagram reels. Did you create all of those? So yeah, you make sure they look amazing. Okay, this one is not showing well, so we can try and put this one right there. Kind of look the same. We need to differentiate them. Okay, there you go. That's your work sample. Then you can come here, add another page. You're going to add the page where you are, the tools you're using. So we are going to come here, add another page so that it's easier for us. I'm gonna copy this, then I'm gonna paste it here. So now the tools that you're using, you're going to come here to your elements, check them out, make sure that you have them. Okay, undo. Okay, redo. There you go. So now for the tools that you use, you're going to just for this one, let me show you how to do this. Make sure the tools that you're using, you put them there, group it, move it to the other side, group, move it to the other side. Okay, this one, group it. So this one is just kind of making my work easier because I had already done it. But if you're starting from scratch, do make sure that you, okay, hold on. Remember, if you need this, feel free to contact me and I'll give you a link so that you can just go and edit it. It's super easy that way. Okay, so now we want to create this here. Okay, we want to create this one right here. Those are some of the tools that you're using. So we're going to change the text to white. We're gonna change the text to white. So because our background here is okay, the text, we're going to change it to white, PPT, just like that. Or you can change the color of this background if you feel like it's not working. Just make sure that it is looking like it's kind of matching the color. Okay, don't make it look like and don't make it have an absurd color. So you can do that, or use the photo colors, or you can just use the one that I had right there. So you've seen how I've created that. Yes, so then we're going to delete this page. Then we are going to add another page where we are going to put in our what certificates, and actually let's just put in the testimonial. We can import that testimonial. It's super easy. You can come here, you can change this background to this one, super easy. Then you add another one here where you're going to put in your social media management skills. So we are going to say social media management. Okay, move it up here, change it to Cardo. Where's Cardo? Yeah, so now we put in an element. We're gonna use this, move it, okay, over there, move it. That's how you add an element. Then once you're done, change the color. Remember, you need to have a consistent color. So you're going to say maybe you're managing you're managing you can manage TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, what else can you manage? LinkedIn. You can manage Pinterest. Where's Pinterest? Okay, you can manage Pinterest. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring them here like this, maximize that, minimize, sorry for that. Then our Facebook, we're gonna make it look like Facebook. Just give me a minute. We're gonna do this. Then we are going to come to the elements, pick a circle, send it backward, lay it to the back side, bring our F right here, minimize this circle, bring it over here, change this to blue. Okay, is that the blue of Facebook? Okay, you get the point. So there you go. Group this, maximize, minimize it. What's the word? Maximize coming to my like that, just like that. Remember, if you have any question, please feel free to comment in my comment section. Ask your questions. Feel free to engage. If you need this template, be sure to check it out. Email me and I'll give you a link to the template so that you can just download it, go change it on your social media platforms. Okay, you can change it to your social media platform. So those are some of the apps that you can do what you can manage. Then we add in another page, and here you're going to say you are going to add in your certificates. So I'm going to import it. As always, I've told you we want to have a monochrome. We have a black somewhere, so we are going to put our black there, certificates. So I'm going to show you how to add in a certificate. I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to add this certificate right here. So we're going to, okay, all right, let's add another page. I'll show you how to add those certificates. So for here, we're going to undo. Then we're going to add another page where I'm going to show you how to add in your certificate. So let's say, for example, you want to use which one shows your certificates? This one can be better. So now here you're going to maybe write certificates. Then here you're gonna write certification. Okay, then once you have your certificates, make this one bolder. Okay, then here you're going to add in your certificates. Go to the uploads, upload your certificates, then you're going to upload your certificates also. There you go. So now you're going to go and say your name. No, the certificate name, let's call it General Virtual Assistant. Then here you're going to write your social media management. Then here you're going to write your digital marketing. Right? So now here you're going to write what it is that you do. So for example, you're going to management of social media pages. Make it as concise as it can be. This one I'm just writing it for the sake of this video. General email management, calendar management, travel management, data entry. You're going to say project management, expense tracking, and so on and so forth. Then here you're going to just write create engaging SEO optimized content. customized content. Then here you're going to say, okay, we've already written there. Then call to action, you write, you can say, you can put here call to action. You can say either depending with whatever you want to put here, you can either say contacts or follow. Can be any of the call to action depending on whatever it is that you want. Let's work together. Depending, okay? So now, once you're done with that, you have your section right here. You can change this color. I told you how you can change the color. You can change it to any color that you want, depending with the photo session. So remember, this is how we want our session. But if you put this color, it's not gonna match. So you need to put a color that really corresponds with whatever it is. So here you can find the photo colors. With the photo colors, that's what you go for. So we're going to go with the photo colors. Black looks amazing here. It showcases our certificate. So we're going to delete this page right here. Let's delete this. Then we have that one over there. Then we can add another page, and our page is going to have so we're going to go back to our page, and we want to add in the personal skills that we do have. So this is our personal skills here. You can do this. I'm going to show you another way because okay, so you're going to come here to the design, choose the design that you want based on, let's say you want that to look like that. So you're going to come here, and then you're going to either choose a pie, or you can choose this, or you can choose this. So remember, this one showcases what you do. You can put here your section, or you want this one, you can always do that. So here, let's say you can put here, we've already said virtual assistant. Then here it's gonna be graphic designer. And then here we're gonna put it as social media manager. All right, so as always, make it bold it, and bold it. Then you can come here, put in your information. But if you want something like this, you can always use this, or you can use this one, depending with whatever it is that you want to do. So let's come here. We're going to go to our subheading 1. You're going to put in maybe like here, let's say 73% on so we have, let's say 73%. Then here we have 87%. 87%. Then here we're going to write 90%. Okay. Our subheading, we are going to say the how do we call it? 90%. That was how do we call that? Let's say input for now. Okay, I'm just using this as an example, but make sure you do your research, you know, whatever it is that you're saying. So we're saying 73%, and then you're going to say maybe this one, copy, going to paste here. Based on that, we're going to delete those. Okay, paste. There you go. So remember, I'm just showing you, it doesn't mean this is what you're supposed to do. Based on how you represent yourself, then call to action, of course, again you say check out my website. You can either say check out my website, then you link it. How to create a link? You just click on it, you put a link, it will come. You'll have to put in the link that you have, copy and paste wherever the link is, come put it here. Then here again you can say check my website if you have it, or wherever it is that they're going to find your information. Okay, here again, check my website, or learn more. Okay, then here put it, we're going to just paste it. That's not what's supposed to be there. And then these headings, it's up to you if you want to put them or not. It's up to you. This one, it's up to you if you want to put it, or if you don't want to put it, it's up to you, depending with whatever it is that you want to do. So there you go. You have your sections right there. We leave it like that. Then here we can just say achievement, or you call it personal skills. The way I had called it right there, you say personal skills. Okay, bold it. And because we have a consistent way of creating our things, we're going to add this one right there, a square. Okay, why is it not scanning? There you go. Bring it over, take it to the end. Okay, good. Change the color, bold this, add it, make it cardo. Then you can increase the size. Okay, so there we have it. We have our portfolio. It's working so well so far. We have two different, you can use this or you can use this one depending on what you want, what you like. Okay, another thing that we're going to add, which is one of our last you're going to either put your price in. If you want to, you can always put your price in there. You can change this to white if you want to. This one you can change the font. You can put your hourly rate, let's say $30, depending on whatever it is that you want, $30 per hour. Then you can change this color to any color that you want. If you don't want it to be black, if you want it to be blue, depending with what the color that you like. And then now our last session, which is I'm going to show you how to choose from this place. You're going to put here, then here you're going to put your logo also. So you're going to say Melinta, the VA. And then here you're going to, you can change this color to black, to red, to any color that you want. Let me stick with black. And then here you're going to come here, you're going to put your Instagram. To make this one even much better, so you're going to come to the elements, you're going to choose the LinkedIn. This is what I like to do. Then we are going to put it right here. Then we are going to bring this one. Okay, we will write our own, so let's just put it right here. We have LinkedIn. Then this one, put your email right here. Put your email right there. Paste your LinkedIn profile right here. You can connect with us. Make this one bold. Increase the size. Then here we're going to put LinkedIn. Then we're going to put Instagram, our Instagram icon. Then we're going to put in our Facebook page. Going to put in our Facebook page, and I always like to create it in a way that represents Facebook. Decrease the size. Then we are going to do that. It's oval, but you can create it as you can make it a circle if you want to. Okay, before that, I feel like it's not yet where it's supposed to be. Okay, remember, you can always play with those colors to just make it stand out. Then I'm going to group this so that it's easier for me to move it around. So we have that. Then we have YouTube also. You can just put in your YouTube or your Twitter, anything that will work for you. So you can just use YouTube. YouTube. There you go. Then I'm gonna do this. There you go. They can connect with you right there. If you don't want this one to look the same way, you can always put them like this across the page, so that when they're across the page, it's easier for you to just write your names on here. So if you want them to be like this, going downward vertically or horizontally, depending with your preference, go on ahead and do that. And then once you're done, we can delete that. Then you can write here your statement. Let's connect. Let's work together. Let's work together. Then you put your location. You can put here your location. Let's say Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi, Kenya. Then here it's Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi, Kenya. All right. So now you put here your email address. Connect with me. It's supposed to be connect with me. And there you go. You have your email address right there. You have your contacts. Make sure you put in your picture. Okay, you can put here your picture, or you can import one of these where you showcasing like someone is working. You can either put this one just to make it more amazing. Huh? Let's work together. So there you go. That's how you create a portfolio from the scratch. Or I'll add another page here where you can just use the one that I had, where this is how I did it. Let's work together. I have my contact details here. Then We have all rights reserved. You can add that one also if you want to. So there you go. You see these two pages, they look different, but as you can see, you put your email here, you can always customize it. So if you like this video or you would like to have this template, okay, I said we'll have to change the fonts. So this is how it's looking like basically right now. You have your logo here, which we've said it's called, we are calling it Melinta the VA, right? Then we're gonna bold it. We're going to bold this. Hold on, bold it. So if you want to change the fonts, you can come here to the design. There's these tiles where you choose the color palette that you want to use based on the color palette you want to use. You can always go there and do that. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Okay, we're gonna stick with this and then we're going to change this. So if you want this template right here, or if you want another template, so this is how mine look like. So you can always go back and add whatever it is that you want. I have this template, it will be saved. My internet is really disturbing me, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. So you can change these colors. So as you can see, that is how that template looks like. I'm gonna show you how to do this, how to work with this, and just be ready. That's how you create your templates, your portfolio. Sorry for that. I don't know what's happening. Just give me a moment. So then guys, so then once you're here, you can either put this one right here. This is how I had created the other one. I'll have all of these templates right here where you can be able to just see them and you can work with it. So templates, we have image, we have this is my work. You can change it to any color that you want based on the color that you had. So that's how, really, it's not even about it's not even about my internet. I think they just have a problem with that. So you can either use this one right here, or you can use this one. This one is going to take you to my resume. I had put a link on it. So here we are going to put in animations. So once you're done with that, you're going to put in the animation so that you see how your work is going to look like. So you can come here use that, or rising template. Then you can say you want it to go either out or in, depending with what you want, the direction, how do you want it to move. So then you apply to all pages. Then once you've applied to all pages, it's gonna be able to help, it's gonna be able to help you maneuver. Then you can change the time in here. Do you want it to run for 5 seconds, 10 seconds? 5 seconds is it's great. Then you add it. Then once you've done that, you come here to the top, then you move it. That's how it's gonna be. These are the projects that you're working with, so you can choose how do you want them to play around. So you can choose, do you want them to swipe out, drift, or just, based on what you want, the direction you want them to go to. You can, if you want them to come up, go down, move to this side, you can do that. Then you apply to all pages. Once you've applied, you're ready to share your portfolio. So this is if you want something like this, or if you want to change the color. Let's say you want to change this one so that it stands out. Come here to the colors, change the color to any color that you want, depending with the color palette. Okay, remember I said color palette. It's gonna show you how it's supposed to be. So you can always customize it to suit your preferences. Okay, make sure you customize it to suit your preferences. So here is a clean made template portfolio from scratch. If you want something like this or something similar, feel free to showcase, to ask me, and I'll show you how to work with it. I'll send you a link where you can just go. It's super easy, and then you can be able to do that. So this is how the portfolio is gonna look like. If you want it to play like that, that's how it's gonna look like. So on your profile, that's how it's gonna look like. So when you showcase your work, this is how it's going to show. But I feel like there's a lot of animation going on here, so I'm just gonna go back. The animation is too much. It's a lot of animations going on, so we're going to remove the drift, remove all animations. Let's start from the beginning. So we just need a basic one, which will show whatever it is that we're doing. We can't have too much going on. Okay, we can't have too much going on, like, come on, we cannot. We need to have something that is consistent, running across. I'm gonna go with this. So then direction, gonna go like that, apply to all pages. So then we're going to preview to see if it's well. Then that's it. So at least now when you play it, someone can be able to read whatever it is that you put there. They can be able to pause, read, and understand the work that you've done. As you can see, that is it. Nice, very nice. So your work samples, they have been created very well. Yes, and that's how you create a portfolio from the beginning to the end. If there's any questions or you didn't understand and you would like for me to go back and tell you how to do that, please feel free to inbox me, call me, and I'll be able to help you do that. If you want something similar and you want to find just something where you can be able to, as you can see, I'll be publishing it very soon after I've made some changes to it. So feel free to ask me for a link and I'll be able to give it to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope you learned something. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me, because that's the only way I can be able to help you. And if you need these services where you want someone to create a portfolio for you, then feel free to also contact me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. See you.